Okay, guys. Do something for the camera. What you got, Coco? What you got, Go-Go? Do something else. Rocky, what you got? All right, Coco taking the attention. Okay, Rocky, what you got? All right. And that's Rocky. Coco's dancing. All right. Bark, Coco. Roar. Let's go. Let's go. Roar. Come on. Why the hell are you trying to eat a fly? Let's go, Coco. Dance it out. Dance it out. Oh. Okay, Rocky. Okay, Rocky. Oh, okay, all right. I hear you. You got a ball out of it. Hold it now. Hold it now. Let's go. Getting kind of nasty. What you got, Rocky? Rocky, she young. She young for you, boy. She young. Rock, she young, man. She young, rock. She young, rock. She young. Oh, man, I gotta stop the tape. This is getting ridiculous. Rocky. Come on, Rock. The hell wrong with you, man? Can't be helping. Come on, man. She too young, man. She ain't nothing but like 2 weeks old, man. About 45, 46. All right, well, I'm out of here, folks. You guys be good. I think we need to strap y'all ropes up a little tighter to each tree. I'll put in a request of moms. All right? I'm out of here. Peace out.